enough space.
I don't know. Why don't you ask Joe Biden how much he's paid in taxes?
Okay.
Anyway, you gotta speak up a little more.
Okay, sorry.
You was a little quiet on that last one.
right.
That's why. That means speak up.
Okay.
Perfect. Well,
All right.
We need to get better equipment because I can't really. If you're this, I don't know if you watch it on a cell phone, but it's hard to hear.
Yeah, it's hard to hear if you're working. Yes, on the cell phone, yes. But if I'm listening to it on my laptop, no.
Yeah, I watch mine on my TV through Roku.
any thoughts on last night's video? Have you seen last night's video?
Okay, refresh my memory of the subject.
Greg
The golf.
No.
No, Greg kept on cutting into the
one that showed up on my phone was the one for the golf.
that Troy's missing in action.
Oh yes, that's another one. Troy's missing.
Yeah, I put him on a milk cart.
Huh?
I said I put him on a milk cart.
Oh yes, I did see that. Yes, I did see that one.
Did you find it at least amusing?
But sometimes I watch
Okay.
2 and 3 at one time.
Well, it wasn't as big a shock to me because you already showed it to me beforehand.
Well, I showed you the thumbnail.
Right.
And you kept
Well, it
saying,
was basically the
missing,
thumbnail.
and then you
That's
go
the
back to
thumbnail.
this, and it was just like, what was it? You made
What'd you think of the
sound
crickets?
effects.
The what?
The crickets.
Yeah, the crickets. That's it.
How do you add that in?
And I told you it took me like 11 hours to figure that shit
Right.
out. It was.
But that was good though. That was really good. I like that.
Anyway.
You kept flipping back and forth, and that was good. That was
What are you looking for?
enjoyable.
For my pen. Oh, it's over here. You know I can't operate without my pen.
Okay.
It's a mental thing.
It's like my tongue hanging out of my mouth when I think.
One thing, I'll stop the camera, start again. New thing, financial. Stop the camera, start again. And then we'll do.
Are you gonna make your mom introduce yourself? You better make sure give her a warning before you do. Or
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna start calling you Ginger Tut.
Ginger Tut. Why the hell are you gonna call me Ginger Tut?
And I'm just Mom.
Because you keep looking over at me and your beard comes out like this while I'm watching the videos. No, I'm still gonna let you
something,
introduce
but
yourself,
I don't know about that. But
it's just something funny I noticed the other day.
Right, you're gonna point it. You're gonna ask me to introduce myself. I'm gonna say I'm Casey, and you're gonna point at your mom, and she's gonna be like, "What's
I'm
going
Mom.
on here?"
No. No.
I'm
yeah.
Mom.
I'll handle it. Just you know.
Or should I say?
I think
And you're gonna do this-
actually, I think this week in particular, I'll just handle introductions,
Okay.
just to make it all simple.
Okay.
All right.
And
We're not gonna be able to do anything with the dog barking.
I know.
It's nice outside though.
because he will chew through anything. I mean, you would not believe how many of those Kong things that I've bought, and he has the extra strong.
Cone?
No, the Kong, Kong toys that are super strong, and he has chewed right through them.
Right.
Just like it was nothing.
Yeah, I don't. A Kong? Is it like a?
Yeah, it's a brand of like this is toys, dog toys that are super heavy duty.
Right.
Forget it. Forget it. And he was a medium-sized dog.
I'm glad I don't have a dog.
I don't have any animals whatsoever.
Yeah, me neither.
It's the freedom that you can come and go whenever you want. If you want to go camping, or if you want to go, wait for a week, or
Just one more thing to worry about. One more.
exactly.
what
It's the freedom of being free. That you don't have to worry about it.
The responsibility. That's what it is. No.
Correct.
No
responsibility. No. No.
I just have to feed myself. And that's about it.
Yeah. So what did you tie him to?
A tree.
Okay.
He's gonna eat the tree.
You might.
And he might eat through the chain or whatever you put him on.
I think I'm getting closer to the back here.
You just hit the fireplace tool.
Oh yeah. By the way, I think We're not even. We're not centered on the fireplace.
Well, I mean, because it may seem like that, but in the shot, it is.
Well, I mean, look, your arm is over into the center right now, and where I am. You know what I mean?
Now you're actually facing the camera instead of looking at me.
You can't even lift up an air conditioner.
Look, hey,
trying to
hey.
set me over?
Hey, fuck off. Now you're getting cat worked up. Piece of shit.
I'm not the one that stood up. I was just being an asshole.
Exactly.
I'm an asshole.
Leo, hello. Fucking Dennis Leary, when he did that, that was a hilarious song. Alright,
Alright.
financial. You ready?
Oh, no. I forgot to put this on. Your financial's only like a minute anyways, you said?
I said it's short. I didn't say a minute.
Oh, okay. I thought you just said we were going to just yell, we were all fucked.
We love you, do my thing.
Alright. Yo, it'd be fucking awesome if you if you were like, welcome, this is Banghead Financial, my name is Greg, and your name, and this is Casey, and be like, we're all fucked, and then you just start fucking acting all crazy and shit and run out of the room.
You ready to do this?
And then I'll just take it, I'll just like, is there a gun here? I'll just take a gun and be like this.
Should have brought your pistol over there.
Yeah.
The screen goes blank.
I'm just gonna take this pen. You can't even do it.
I know. I was laughing inside the whole fucking time. I was laughing inside the whole time. So, we're obviously I'm gonna have to clip this one up, but I feel sorry for your 401ks.
The Dow.
S&P.
I don't have anything about the S&P.
Really?
I didn't.
Top
see that.
500 companies in the fucking goddamn U.S., mate.
I don't have the phone, so I can't think of S&P.
Got your own name?
Yeah, I forgot who I was.
Ooh, rough start.
Forgot my phone. Couldn't find my sunglasses.
What time did you wake up today?
8:30, I think.
Jesus. You have plenty of time to prep.
Yeah, I think I went back to sleep in the wake up at like 10:30.
Anyway. Before we get into the stock market crash, can I just say, I thought you didn't have any information on the S&P 500.
I kind of briefly ran through this.
Just
Yeah.
say it behind the scenes.
Yeah, behind the scenes thing.
That's Chinese food the other day, right? Oh, man.
I don't think I'm getting.
I slammed 3 of the fucking lunch specials. I got 4. I was planning on eating that shit all weekend, but obviously I'm gonna eat the last one today.
This has a very limited range. It's not picking up no station from Baltimore. got some Madonna.
Like a virgin!
This is a sports station, I think. You got Madonna, you got country, and you got sports radio.
Right, but I mean, you know, if shit happens, it's all gonna be like random broadcasts, you know?
Right.
It's gonna be like, you know, emergency EBS, emergency broadcasting system,
Yeah.
and everything.
I don't know what this is. This is.
God threw up this morning, man, and I kind of smell it.
I don't know what I'm smelling.
Yeah, it's probably cat puke. Dog puke.
This might be like you might be able to use this as a walkie-talkie. I'm not 100% certain what that is. That symbol is right
That looks like a charging symbol.
Is it a charging symbol?
That's what it looks like.
It does have
Solar thing.
solar, but it takes a lot longer to fill up on the solar.
That's fine. We can get into that.
Well, I mean, I wasn't really considering talking about it. I was just gonna. I just brought it to show you. Maybe I'll just hold it up for a second.
No, I mean, that'd probably be a good thing to, actually show up. You never know. Maybe. What's that brand?
I don't know.
Running
snail.
small.
Running snail.
Running snail. Whatever it is. Maybe they'll reach out.